Bart's got butterflies. It's his first kiss. He and Nikki, the new girl at school, share a sweet moment at a baseball game, but it backfires. Nikki accuses Bart of crossing a line, and suddenly he's in hot water, facing disciplinary action. Bart doesn't get it. He thought it was harmless. Meanwhile, chaos erupts. Principal Skinner panics, parents get involved, and Bart's left wondering where innocence ends and respect begins. It's awkward, dramatic, but also hilarious, full of school gossip, teen confusion, and Simpsons humor. In the end, Bart learns that sometimes feelings are serious, and that respect matters more than a crush. Would you learn the hard way like Bart? Then you know what to do. Like